the beyond. Their hearts are true, their strength unmatched, but only one pair will outlast. Chaos in my veins, a heart full of fire. You can't contain my madness, no, I'll never tire. I'll blow up the world, leave a smile on my face. Lux will paint this town with no trace. I'm the light in the dark, I fight for what's right. In a world that's broken, I shine through the night. With my girlfriend by my side and you by my heart. Together, jinx will tear them apart. Four hearts of fire, four wills to fight. Love and power clash under the moonlight. From chaos to order, from light to dark, who will leave their mark? I fight with my heart, with crescent rose, I'll be your guide. We face the darkness, but together we'll rise. In this love, there's no compromise. I face the cold, I've dealt with the worst, but with you, Ruby, I'm ready to burst. With my dust, I'll freeze them in place. Our love is a fire they'll never erase. Four hearts of fire, four wills to fight. Love and power clash under the moonlight. From chaos to order, from light to dark, who will leave their mark? I've got magic in my hands, a love in my soul. With amity, we'll make this whole. We defied all odds, broke every mold. Together we're unstoppable, fearless and bold. Magic or not, you've changed my fate. In your arms I find my place. With each spell cast, with each smile share, I'll stand by you no matter what we bear. Four hearts of fire, four wills to fight. Love and power clash under the moonlight. From chaos to order, from light to dark, who will leave their mark? I'm a witch with no limits, and Diana's my star. Together we'll go far, no matter how bizarre. From magic to laughter, from joy to tears, our bond's unbreakable, overcoming fears. You've always amazed me, akko, it's true. But I'll always be here, fighting with you. With every spell, we'll make our way. Hand in hand, we'll save the day. Four hearts of fire, four wills to fight. Love and power clash under the moonlight. From chaos to order, from light to dark, who will leave their mark? Four couples, four destinies intertwined. In this battle of love, who will be defined? The clash has ended, but only one love will reign. Who will stand tall, who will remain? Fate